I'll introduce the 3 online whiteboards I used and I'm using. Okay, so the first one is actually a web page from Khan Academy. Khan Academy. So I'll just go to any practice web page and find some empty area. So I borrow that web page as my whiteboard. Yeah, I like this one. I click here so I can draw like lines. This is an angle, line segment, and I can change color and draw that. And I can draw a triangle, even a circle. And I can roll back, and I can remove, and so that's cool. When I use it online, the delay is unnoticeable. So that's the cool thing of that one. It's simple, plain, and if you only need those simple features, it's cool. So I use that a lot. I use this a lot thanks to Khan Academy until I found something else yesterday. The first one is Autodraw.com. The user interface. Oh, I already have something here. So this is a angle bisector. Okay, bye-bye. So I can select that. Oh, wait a minute. I can select that and I can rotate, you see? Wow, that's cool. That's why kids love it. And I can even, yeah, switch sides. And even up and down, I guess. Woo! Woo! And I can change color to draw something else. Okay, I need to select my pen and draw something here and say hello to you. Hello. Okay. What else? Oh, the shapes. Yeah. So circle, for example, it's like that. And what about purple? Triangle. Okay. Whoa. It's cool. And the rectangle. Yeah. So you can give it a try. And okay, another one is Sketchpad. So Sketch.io Sketchpad. Yeah, this one. What? Is it this one? Haha. Let's clean up this thing here. Crop on every side. No. Select. Yeah. Select and delete. Okay. So here is the pencil. let me get a color, purple color. Okay, so say hello again. Hello friends, I love you. And let's draw something like that. And we can draw a line segment bisector. We'll learn that in our future video. And maybe angle bisector. Yeah. Yeah, it's very easy for our hand drawing. Okay, cool.